Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Jason. Happy birthday. Alam kong ikaw ay napakabait na bata at napakasarap kasama naman talaga. Na talaga namang nakakawa yung tawa mo. Alam ko, sa kabila nito, may mga problema ka ding dinadanas. At, sana, kayanin mo mga pagsubok nito. At, huwag ka lang mawawala ng tiwala sa Diyos at pananalig. Yun. We wish you a very happy birthday. And wish you more birthdays to come. Wish you good health, a good life. Stay sweet as you are. And we love you. Mwah. Cousin.
Happy birthday, Jason. Thank you for having good times with us. And I know you have big dreams ahead, so I wish you the best luck for that. Aral ka mabuti, I know kaya mo yan. And be strong enough to watch your limitations so you could focus on your goals. Make your parents proud. Okay ba yan?
Thank you, Mama Friend.
Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Love you.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday!